Now, this first major snowstorm of 2020 did make for slick driving conditions for people heading up to Big Cottonwood Canyon to ski or snowboard. ABC4's Jared Giottanini has more on conditions from Solitude.
As people are out here at Solitude enjoying the fresh powder, we have dozens of state and local crews out on the roadways, making sure drivers get to where they're going safely.
Visibility is not great,
Which skier Stacy Bear says translates to slick driving conditions on the way up to the resort. The storm dropped more than 4 inches of snow at some resorts, and that's welcome news for Bear.
For New Year's Day, this is a great way to start off 2020. And we live here for the powder, so, everybody loves a big snow day. And
UHP says some folks will be starting the year with a DUI overnight, issuing 33 DUIs statewide during UHP's annual New Year's Eve DUI blitz. Overnight, UHP says there were more than 70 weather-related accidents, folks driving too fast for conditions. There's more snow in the forecast, and Bear hopes the accident count does not increase.
drive slow, don't be in a hurry. Everybody wants to have a good time in the mountains. If you're there another 10 minutes late, no big deal.
Now again, if you're coming up here to enjoy the fresh snow, give yourself some extra time and take it easy out on the roadways. At Solitude, Jared Giottanini, ABC 4 News.
Thank you.